Good afternoon. This is question number 20 in vehicle rental. And the question is, identify the most profitable vehicle based on total revenue. Include the vehicle name, type, and total earnings. In the first place, we use select and call the vehicle ID and the type. Then we use sum RD. This kaning RD is kani siya rental details. Then dili na to gisulod si quantity para mabalaan na to ang total earnings sa nakuan sa vehicle para makalculate siya para dali ra na to makita dayon. Di ra ta maglibog if ira na nato ang code kay makuha naman na siya mabutang man sa quantity. Nung gi-select na to siya, then sum RD quantity has total earnings. From diri ta nag-base nga table from vehicles. Ang alias aning V is vehicle. Then we use Enerjoin to perform and combine the data, the vehicles table and rental details table. Nakabutang dire. Kani. Gamit ta siya na para ma-join ang condition and ma-show dito kung sa rental details o sa atong vehicles na pinsay pinakakuan nga earnings o sa type ng vehicle. And we use the group by to close the group's result in vehicle ID and type. Para makalculate sila correct about aning total earnings for a unique combination of vehicle ID and type. And we use order by to close and sorts the result in descending order based on total earnings. Para ma-place ang vehicles with the highest earnings at the top. So gigamitan na to siya limit 1 para restrict nga ang first row ra ang makita since ang nakita naman to ang result na descending order para dali ra na to ma-retrieve ang vehicle nga kinsay naka-earn og highest. So if i-run na nato ni nga code, so nara ang vehicle ID and type of vehicle and the total earnings is 60. So that's all for number 20.